Hey, it's Hina, and yes, we are using baking soda. If your homemade beef stir fry is always tough, stop scrolling right now. We are making restaurant quality pepper steak that is impossibly tender in minutes. I'm using 250 grams of beautiful tenderloin, cut into these nice chunks. The secret marinade starts here. In the bowl, we add our flavor foundation. And for that amazing tenderness, here's your cheat code. Just a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of black pepper, add a teaspoon of vinegar, and a tablespoon of corn flour for that perfect sear. Mix it up, then finish with a drizzle of sesame oil for an unbeatable aroma. Set this aside for 10 minutes. If you're like me and can't wait, start cooking now. This sauce is where the magic lives. Grab a separate bowl and combine slightly less than a quarter cup of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of rich oyster sauce, and 4 tablespoons of that tangy, savory Worcestershire sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar for balance, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to thicken everything up beautifully. 1 teaspoon black pepper. Dilute this powerhouse with a half a cup of water, give it a good whisk and set it aside. Now for the supporting cast or aromatics. Finely chop 7 cloves of garlic and a 2-inch piece of ginger. We are slicing 1 small onion into chunky pieces. We want them crispy, not wilted. And for color that pops, we are julienning red, yellow, and green bell peppers. About a quarter of each. Look at those vibrant strips. Everything is ready for high heat. Time to cook. Heat your pan with oil and drop in that marinated beef. We are frying this on high flame until it's golden brown and about 90% done. It only takes a couple of minutes. No overcooking allowed. Remove the beef, but listen closely. Do not wash the pan. That sticky residue is flavor gold, and we need it for the vegetables. Add just a few more tablespoons of oil to that flavorful pan. Toss in the ginger, garlic, and onions. Stir fry for just 1 minute on high heat. Now, add the half cup of spring onions and our beautiful bell peppers. Give them a quick 10 to 15 second blast. We want these veggies to maintain their delightful crunch. Now bring the seared beef back home to the pan and mix well. Pour in that prepared sauce. Toss everything together for just 15 to 20 seconds until that sauce thickens and coats every single piece of beef and every colorful pepper. And just like that, your amazing homemade pepper steak is ready. Look at the tender beef, the glossy sauce, and the vibrant crunch of that peppers. Serve it over a hot bed of rice. And finish with a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Before you go, drop a comment below and tell me what city you are watching from. I love connecting with everyone in our community. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care and happy cooking.